To my channel, it's your girl Zamara here. In today's video we are going to be making over my entryway. It's a super small space, so we won't be doing much, but let's get to it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is painting this wall. It's going to be an accent wall. This was inspired by one of my fave OG YouTubers, Tierra Monet. She has this bohemian kind of accent wall in her like dining area space, and so I really wanted to do the same thing. So I pretty much just taped off sections where I am going to be working in, because I want to try to keep it neat since this is going to be like a messy kind of free-spirited kind of vibe, and I'm really just going for it. I looked at her design a few times and I seen some of the things that she did, and I literally just, you know, did some of those things and added my own twist to it. I did get my paint from Lowe's. I really honestly could have got away with only getting a sample, but I did get a quart of the paint in the color Black Magic. The paint was about $12, but I can take it back and pretty much get my money back since I barely used any of it. So this wall was pretty much free to do. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the time lapse, and I'll be back when we start on the next project.
One need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they as apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. I got a little mix with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the... When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in the waist. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of paid. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the pop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good with the Junior, Jazzy, DJ. You know what I got, put my money in a couple figures to the store to collect. She fucking did it, she know the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. These niggas with this small in the mall with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big clipper. I got the hook and it really no limit. Derek Bookers and you nigga DNA. Ricky Spellers indicated with the gate. Little nigga, it's another state case. Very round motherfucker Chase Bank tryna bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. So I gotta reroute it. The nigga drippin' like I gotta see it. Got the truck jumping like Spain when I'm rebounding. I'm out. Better never talk about it. The homies squad, but we all so the loudest. Rich niggas, I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like an artist on house.
Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the wall piece. This was also inspired by Tierra Monet's dining area. On her wall she had like a circular mirror, but it was cut in half and it had what looked like jute rope hanging from it. I wasn't able to get a circular mirror cut anywhere, and I wasn't gonna bother to look for one, so I pretty much also went to Lowe's and went to the section where they cut mirrors, and I was just looking for the cheapest mirror, honestly, and the guy ended up giving me the scrap piece, and I just asked him to cut it in half, and so I got these 2 mirrors for free because this was technically one, and he just cut it in half for me. And then I went over to Dollar Tree. They do have jute rope in Dollar Tree, but I felt like the color was gonna be too off, so I ended up finding I don't know what this stuff is called, but it's like that paper frayish kind of material, and they had it in the colors that I wanted. They had these brownish colors, and I just decided to make that fray kind of look with this material. I just hot glued it as you see me doing here. It was super simple. I made it thick, and then I ended up cutting it to the length that I wanted, and then hung it on the wall with command strips, which you will see in a few seconds.
I can't be kicking shit like I'm a D. That shit, I ain't gotta keep shit. I've been getting keys like
She wanna look out the roof in the morning. Why I got her a new persona. I went up like a triple double nigga. Larry Bird with the racks. Living my best life, short. You can't never get attached. Went to the plug, got a couple keys, then I ran off like Zach. We been selling in the projects like it's the new Jack City. All my bitches got ass and titties. Gotta hop on top the bag and get it. She call me cause I'm a nigga, don't beat it. I'll be something like a pacifist. All a nigga do is snip for the check. Open them out, put the dick in the neck. Blue rags, bitches gripping the set. I been trapping, gotta get it with tech. Bitch, I'm rich, I can't be living in debt. She won't be my bitch, I can't fuck with the pet. My best friend end up giving me set in the Tahoe when I jumped off the jet. I just been ballin' out every season. Know some niggas I left in the police. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a 4 inside another liter. Time to pass and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people. Ducking the birds, sending out the meagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I go feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn a whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas.
Okay, so now we are on to these floors. We have finished. So beautiful. I can't wait. So I've actually already cleaned the floors. I sweeped and mopped them before I went out to get this vinyl. It is Stick and Peel. The color that I'm going to be using is Honey Oak. You can't see it because it has this big old tag over it. But it is this color, the same color as my kitchen floors. And it's by the brand Traffic Master. It's really easy to apply. It's literally just like applying a sticker. And I'm just going to apply it all over these floors. The only hard part, like this corner will be hard. That corner will be hard. Easy, 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 easy. All the rest will be easy. So, look at him. Get off my floors, pug. Hi. You look so cute. You need a haircut? You need a haircut, Wooties? Alright, y'all. Alright, you guys, so when it comes to laying these down, the directions on the box tell you to start in the middle so that you can have that staggered effect. Honestly, y'all know me. I don't follow directions. You can still have the staggered effect without having to start in the middle. I don't like starting in the middle because when you start in the middle, you honestly have to end up shaving off the sides if it's not a perfect fit when you get to the edges. So I don't have time for all that. I'm gonna start at the edges and I'm gonna still get my staggered effect. So as you see, I laid down 2 and then I started in the middle with the next row just so that I would only have to shave down these 2, and then the rest I would only have to cut them down if I need them to fit, you know, perfectly at an edge. Which will be much more easier for me than having to do what the back of the box is. So this is super easy, you guys. It's honestly just like filling a sticker and sticking it down. It comes up super easy when it's time to leave. So this is rental friendly. The one box covers 36 square feet. So one box is all I needed and one box is $35. Alright, you guys, so I'm taking a break to cool off because it's hot as crap today. I turned my AC on and it's just like I'm still hot. I think it's all the lighting. So I turned off one of the lights. This is kind of like the color of the floor. Without the lighting, this is how it looks so far. I'm going to have to take one into the laundry room. I plan on doing the laundry room a little bit later on. But I just like to work room by room, so that'll be done eventually. But I decided to take a break mainly because I ran into a dilemma, and this is it. So as much as this space looks even on camera, it's not. Like, it's uneven as hell, and it's so hard Well, I mean, like, I'm pretty sure it'll be easy eventually, but it's so hard right now because I'm hot, I'm bothered. I've been doing this whole time. I just need to take a break and get something to eat. I already put in like one little piece to make me feel a little bit better, but the room is definitely coming along. I might just, before I take a break, I'll probably go ahead and put up the corner piece that I wanted to put right there. And then take a shower, get, you know, a juice, and then come back and tackle that piece. Put one piece right there, and then finish off by filling in that little square. But yeah, y'all. All right, you guys, so now that I'm nice and refreshed, I'm back and I'm installing the floating shelf. I got this from Home Depot. I'm sorry, Lowe's. No, Home Depot. Home Depot for $12 and some change. And it was really, really easy to install. All you had to do was drill or screw drive the bracket into the wall and then pushing the shelf. Super easy. And then I just got some pieces, accent pieces from Target and a plant from Home Depot just to give it some, you know, pizzazz. And that was pretty much it, you guys. I may add some pictures later on down the line just to give the room a little bit more oomph. But I think for now I got exactly what I wanted, you guys. Love, love, love this entire section of my house. Overall, this total project was $49. $49 aside from the accent pieces, which was just the plant, the key holder, the candle, and the basket that you see here in the corner. So let me know if you guys recreate this. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.